Hello, beautiful people. I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to Nanaaba's kitchen. Today we're making beef curry. For this beef curry, we are using beef shank. We have previously marinated it for 1 hour with the following ingredients: salt, crushed black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, garlic paste, ginger paste, shallot onions thinly sliced, and 1 habanero chili. Let's cook, friends. I'm going to be using ghee for this preparation because ghee is so delicious. It is going to give us a nutty flavor that is absolutely to live for. So that goes in here. And to perfume our ghee, I have cardamom pods, the green kind, and I also have star anise and some aniseed. Just allow these aromatics to bloom. Just when you start smelling your aromatics, you want to go ahead and place your meat in. And start stirring to coat your beef with the perfumed ghee. Now you want to allow the beef to get some brown, to sear the lovely juices into the meat. Give it periodically, you want to go in and stir it. Now here I have my curry powder, so that goes in, and this is homemade. I also have some paprika, followed by some chili powder. And to jumpstart that curry flavor, we need a pinch of garam masala. You also need some tomato paste to bring us the much needed sweetness. This one has beets in it. I made it here at home. I'm going to add the remainder of my ginger paste and garlic paste. Stir that in also. Look at the sauce forming around it. It tastes so good already. It's perfectly seasoned, so make sure you're seasoning to your preference. Now you do want to allow your spices to bloom and cook out the graininess from them, and also allow them to become part of the beef. You want to do this on medium heat for 10 minutes, and we're just there right now. Now, next thing we're going to add is some yogurt. This is plain yogurt. The yogurt may be substituted with coconut cream or coconut milk. If you're going for that coconut curry flavor, it'll be luscious in here. I chose to use yogurt this time because I need the enzymes in the yogurt to help break down and tenderize the beef shank. Due to the location of this cut of meat, which is in the lower extremities of the animal, it tends to have a tougher texture. Next, we're going to crush these shallot onions. Previously, I thinly sliced them and fried them real crispy. While they were air drying, they became even crispier. So they will impart a beautiful sweetness to the curry. There are many variations of curries. Curry is really a sauce made with aromatic, warm, inviting spices. And as you have seen in my previous videos, my curries usually tend to have that signature yellow color. However, you see a deeper, more enriched color here because of the addition of the chili powder and also the paprika. Now, do not let that throw you off because the flavors here are rather deepened even more. I think you will totally love it. Now we need a braising liquid to break down the muscle of the meat to make it nice and tender. I have some homemade beef broth here, so I'm going to use that. Water will also be perfect for this. Remember, water is a diluting ingredient, so if you choose to use it, check for salt and adjust accordingly. Now this consistency is perfect. It's enough braising liquid to thin up the sauce and also to help tenderize the meat. All right, beautiful people. So Sister Madame has completed her part. Now I need to leave this pot to do its thing. All right, it's gonna take about 45 minutes for the meat to braise slowly and tenderize to perfection. We'll come back and check in 45 minutes. And as it turns out, it took 50 minutes exactly to braise this to perfection. Now take it all in. Let us just admire this richness happening right now. It is offering us lusciousness, velvety sauce around the meat, and just look at how tender and also juicy this beef shank has become. Please give your girl a thumbs up because this is a job well done. And I know you're inspired to try it. You will not have any regrets at all. We chose to serve it today with some steamed basmati rice. And let me tell you, it went down the way it was supposed to. We cleared the entire pot of stew that same day. That good. Friends, I thank you for watching. Make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen. Thank you, beautiful person, for watching the video all the way to the end. Kindly leave me a comment and subscribe down below. And don't forget to share the video as well. Also, watch more videos. It is chop time, and here in Nanaaba's kitchen, chop time is always yes, friends. So pull up a chair. We are all friends and family here.